has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rockingham County, Caswell County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroeton, or near Reedsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Reedsville, Yanceyville, Bethel, Providence, Jericho, Prospect Hill, and Camp Springs.